Much better start for Bromell here in Gateshead, and the result is a lead now and emerging from the field, and he's going to come to the line and take the win. Sub-10 performance, but more importantly, a Diamond League victory for Trayvon Bromell.
So normal service has been resumed. Back under 10. Back to the top of the podium for Trayvon Bromell. I think the most remarkable thing about this race is that he did not get a particularly good reaction to the gun. It was Fred Kerley that had the best reaction to the gun, and we're going to see that in the replay as CJ Uja seems to be gesticulating about something. He was second, but it was not a close second. There you see that great reaction from Fred Kerley, but Bromell made light work of this race. Nobody really challenged. And you see CJ Uja hanging on for second. Zarnell Hughes looking across the line. And I'm pretty sure he was third. So Trayvon doesn't necessarily have to have a great reaction to the gun. What he does have to win is his acceleration and his mid-race composure.
Yeah, let's take a modern day stroll. Whoa, this is the modern day. Last time I checked, we were running the globe. I'm about to go figure 4. 2 knock, 2 time, it's a brick at the door.